My topic is pointer as a function argument in C. Pointer as a function parameter is used to hold address of argument passed during function call. This is also known as call by reference. When a function is called by reference, any change made it is the reference variable will affect the original variable. Example: voidment int of int a, int b, int main function, int m equal to 10, n equal to 20, printf m equal to %d of n line n, print of n equal to %d n, swap mn, printf after swapping, printf returns words swap m equal to 10, n equal to 10. After swapping m equal to 20, n equal to 10. Indirectly, meaning of a swapping is changing a to b or b to a. Function returning pointer variable. A function call also return a pointer to the call function. In the case, you must be careful because local variable of a function does not live outside the function. They have scope only inside the function. Hence, if you return a pointer connected to a local variable, that pointer will pointing to nothing when the function ends. Here is the example. We given int variables a equal to 15, b equal to 19, p we want to find p larger number of a and b, then we get output as 92 y greater than x. By using if else statement we get answer output. Safe way to return a valid pointer: either use argument with function, because argument passed to the functions are declared inside the calling function, hence they will live outside the function as well, or use statistical local variable inside the function and return them as a statistical variable have a lifetime until the main function exists, therefore they will available throughout the program. Pointer to a function. It is possible to declare a pointer pointing to a function which can then be used an argument in another function. A function is declared as follows: type, pointer name and parameter. Pointer to a function declared as follows: type, pointer name, parameter. A function parameter can point to a specific function when it is assigned the name of that function. Here s is the pointer to a function sum. Now sum can be called using pointer as s along with providing the required argument values. Example of pointer to a function: int is a type, sum is function, and parameters are int x and int y. Return x plus y. Then fp equal to sum, int s equal to fp 10 and 15. Printf sum is % of d. Return output we get 25. Complicated function pointer example. You will find a lot of complex function pointer example around. Let's see one such example and try to understand it. Void example is void and int. It's appear complex but it is very simple in the case foo is pointer to the function whose argument is of int type and type is void. Pointer as a function argument in C. Pointer as a function parameter which holds the arguments passed through the function calls. Safe way to return a valid point is either use argument with function or use statistical local variables. Thank you.